Have you ever wondered what people actually mean when they say an economy is growing? It sounds like a fitness goal for a whole country.
It really is. In simple terms, economic growth is just an increase in a nation's capacity to produce more stuff like phones and stuff doing like healthcare.
Exactly, and to track that, fitness, we use gross domestic product, or GDP, which totals the market value of every final good and service produced in a year.
It's a great metric, but we have to be careful about whether it's measuring real progress or just higher prices.
That is a crucial distinction because nominal GDP can be a bit of a fake news metric if prices are just rising due to inflation.
Which is why we prefer real GDP. It uses constant prices from a base year to strip away the effects of inflation and show the actual volume of production.
It's like a mathematical reality check. Now, beyond the math, what actually triggers this growth? Is it just luck or something more structural?
It's definitely structural, driven by heavy hitters like investing in new machinery, improving education through human capital, and adopting new technology.
Those human and physical investments are great, but growth isn't always a smooth ride, as it can lead to things like pollution or even rising inequality.
True, and we also have to watch out for inflationary pressure if demand grows faster than supply, which can hurt people's purchasing power.
It really is a balancing act between producing more today and ensuring a high-quality life for everyone in the long run.
Definitely. While growth provides jobs and better public services, we must aim for a sustainable path that protects our environment. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like and follow us for more.